Aside from the awesome commute from your bedroom to your living room and the pay, working online gives you the freedom to choose your own schedule. Your earning potential is truly in your own hands. But while the freedom that comes online is great, there are few things to think about when it comes to getting paid. Being your own boss means you have to manage your working hours, taxes, and even juggling between different companies. It's perfectly doable, but doing a little prior research definitely won't hurt. The number one side hustle we're gonna talk about is sell your photos. You can earn up to $2,200. Do you have photo skills or live in an area where images are in high demand? Stock photography websites are in huge demand of photographs covering almost every possible subject you could ever imagine. So, how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any number of huge databases, allowing magazines, editors, designers, or any organization with a website to buy them. And the beauty of stock images, photos can be sold any number of times. You can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out include Shutterstock, Etsy, iStocks, 500px Prime, Photo Shelter, and Getty Images. And the special thing about it is you don't even need expensive gear. All you need is your smartphone. The second side hustle we're gonna talk about is to create how-to videos, and you can earn up to $100 to $1,000. In recent years, YouTube has grown into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides. Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password protecting content for paying customers only. A piece of advice is to get to know phrases that people search for. To find potential search phrases, start typing how to dash your topic into YouTube search bar and notice what phrases are generated in autofill drop-down. Make sure to use the same keywords when you write your own video title, description, and text. Third hustle we're gonna talk about is teach English, and you can earn up to $100 to $25 per hour. If you are a native English speaker, you may not realize it, but you already have the number one qualification you need for a fun, portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world. Some of the websites are GoGo Kid, VIP Kid, Cube Kids, Cambly, Itaki. Teach English on the phone to adult students in Korea, China, and basically South Asian countries. You don't even need a college degree for this. All you need is a solid internet connection, microphone, webcam, and a quiet space for lessons. This one is my personal favorite. You can turn your interest into a podcast that pays up to $100 to $500 depending on the niche you are in. Podcasting doesn't have to be complicated. With a microphone, laptop, and free recording software, you'll be up and running. Plus, podcasts don't need to run every day. Once a week is best and are better when they are short. There are a number of ways to make money from podcasts. The most obvious is commercial sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own product or services if you have them. This one can be really daunting fun for you. Reselling high-end products. Let me first tell you about who is a reseller. A reseller is an individual or a person or a business that buys a product, marks up the price, and sells it for a profit. It's the middleman between manufacturers and customers. This teenage is literally making thousands of dollars by just selling sneakers. A buy and sell enterprise is nothing more than a purchasing cheaply new or previously owned products that we all need, use, or want, and reselling these same items for more than the cost. The difference between what you paid and what you sold it for, of course, is your profit. Now all you have to do is choose according to what your interests are.